Hello boys and girls, this video is all about square units. Now if you remember, square units are what we used to find the area a couple weeks ago. So in this example, remember that each square equals one square unit, and all you needed to do to find the area a couple weeks ago was add up all of the square units, and that gave you the area. Now we're going to look a little bit more at square units this week. So if you look here on my board, you can see that we have one square unit, but it's a little bit more specific. We know that we are using inches. We know that our length is 1 inch, and we know that our width is 1 inch. Now something we didn't really get into when we talked about area a couple weeks ago was another way to find the area. What we can do is we can look at the measurement for length and the measurement for width, and we can multiply them together, and that will also give us the area. In this case, if you're looking, we would multiply 1 inch by 1 inch. Now we know from our multiplication video that we watched this week, hopefully, we know that 1 times 1 is 1. So we know that we have 1. But we can't forget our units of measurement. So we have 1 inch times 1 inch. Well, how would we write that? What is an inch times an inch? It's an inch squared, because there are 2 of them. So boys and girls, 1 inch times 1 inch is 1 inch squared. Now let's look at that with a different form of measurement. We can also do that with meters. So if we change a little bit to look at meters, we have 1 meter for our length, we have 1 meter for our width, and we know, once again, that 1 times 1 is 1, and since we have 1 meter times 1 meter, we have 1 meter squared. Is that making sense? Let's try one more type of measurement. Let's say we want to use feet. We are planting a garden, like we did a couple weeks ago, and we want to plot out how many feet our garden is. So we are going to look at 1 foot in length and 1 foot in width, and 1 foot times 1 foot equals 1 foot squared. So when you see a measurement associated with area, remember that you also need to include that measurement in your answer, and it's always going to be that measurement squared. Good luck this week.